Hey, Dana here, and welcome to my vlog. And I am at Wilberts again. I'm gonna pull that ECM for the 02. Oh man, I got indigestion. For the 02 Chevy Malibu. There you go. It lost its. Like it's lost its serpentine. What's going on? A beautiful day in the neighborhood. There's a coil pack for that one. Alright, we're gonna go in and yank the muddy. Alright. I gotta pull the lower panel on this. Mine doesn't have it, which is good, but it's got everything in it. It's actually got a tack too. May have to come down and get the tack, pull that whole dash for mine, because I do not have a I don't have a tack, and my tack is run through the coil. So I'm thinking something's burnt out in my dash. That'll be a future project. Okay, that was quick. You just pull it down. That locks underneath. You've got a push-pull that you pull down. It'll pop out, and then you got one 7 millimeter. One 7 millimeter. One 7 millimeter screw. Alright, mission complete. Just you two plugs held in by 7 millimeter bolts, and then up inside, lost my light. There's a little locking grabber up top there that just use your screwdriver to release it. But all there is left to do is pay for it. Alright, now I'm going to go find a couple of escapes and see if I can find a wiper blade arm. Okay, here we are. This is row 19. That's all I wanted. That's all I need. It's functioning pretty good, but I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna check the 30 rows real quick. Unfortunately, the little tab on the back broke. I was afraid of, because this is probably really rusted back there, or exfoliated because it's aluminum. And I was walking around and I found a Volkswagen Beetle, and guess what? The hood was up. I thought the trunk was in the front. Guess what? Not anymore. The motor is in the front, just like any other car. And in the rear, you got the rear is the trunk, the hatch, a trunk, and a spare tire. Ain't that something? Dad moved to Georgia in '72. He bought a Volkswagen Beetle. And of course, the motor was in the back. He was at 90 horsepower. Huh. Interesting. With a little bit of playing on it, as you can see, I got it to come up. Now the thing is how deteriorated it is on the inside, that it's squeezing against the shaft in here. Video up. I'm ready to leave here. Wasn't able to get a rear wiper arm for this here, for the 03 Escape. because the exfoliation is so bad on the arms, you're just not going to get it off the shaft. It isn't bolted. It isn't bolted like the Explorer is, which you could undo the bolt and just pop them off, but that ain't the case. But I did get the ECM for the Malibu, so that'll be the next next video on that series. Cost you $25. You know, when it's going to cost you about $140, maybe $300 at the dealer. So 25 bucks isn't anything, and if it winds up not being the issue, then hey, I'll put it up on the video here, and you'll know about it. And if you want it, well, we can make a deal. All right, we'll catch you on the next project. Gonna make it Project Chevy.